Hey, skate rat. So you think you're pretty... If you can pull it off a bunch of times, I'll give you cash. Way to go! Here's some cash. Find me later to do more challenges if you want to earn some more.
Sup? The name's Mo. When you're with me, you could create your own ground. Help me bomb this. Think you could throw my pizza up there? Nice one. Catch up with me later if you want to do some more art.
Hey, skate rat. The skate... I'll keep it easy for now. Nail the tricks I call out. Pull off all of them and you can have this money.
What do we want? See freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? See freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? See freedom!
Way to go! Here's some cash. Find me later to do more challenges if you want to earn some more.
Now! What do we want? See freedom! When do we want it?
The way to the ranch is blocked off. The people approach.
I said...
Come on. He's telling you to trick on. He seems savage.
Stop the bully bullies! Stop the bully bullies!
Hey,
Stop the
what?
bully bullies! Stop the bully bullies! Hey, hey!
All right, almost there. Now go even bigger.
Yo, yo! The use of bullets got to go! What do we want? See freedom!
Holy sheep! I guess this proves that T-Rex was a carnivore. I'll meet you at the ranch. If you get...
Sup? What? Help me bomb. Think you could throw my pizza up there? Good job, Holmes. Come see me later if you want to bomb some more. I'm all over the place. See ya.
Hey, this is Tony Hawk. You were listening to Demolition Radio on Sirius Satellite Radio. We just got word in from Hollywood. Some local skaters wiped out an entire protest, causing a traffic jam and leading to dinosaur sightings on the Sunset Strip. So if you're in the area, be on the lookout for a 50-foot T-Rex. So let's check out another tune on Tony Hawk's Demolition Radio on Faction.
Tell you what, Hucker, Murphy's got the...
I've got the wall flip to not a spin. Check it. Wall flip to not a spin.
Dave's the encyclopedia.
Thug 1 had wall plants, but Thug 2 had the sticker slap. I can do them both. Sticker slap to manual to wall plant.
And I go for the burly drop. Spine transfer to nose grab front flip.
Damn, your friends are pretty good.
You're gonna have to impress them. Do some of their combos and maybe they'll let you into the ramp. There's a group, they are after you've learned a thing or two. Fine.
Boone's hassling you, huh?
Yeah, and who is he to talk? I just saw him eat asphalt trying to drop in from that roof.
Well, Boone definitely goes big. Hey, check this out.
Sweet! Oh, that rules!
Just go... Nicely done!
Cool.
I'll...
Oh,
Now you... The last wall trick I'll show you is the wall ride. It lets you... Here, check it. Just go towards a wall and wall... Okay, there. Now...
So you want to skate like Boone? I'll show you how. Here, check it out. Let's see you spine transfer a few times over. Cool. Now let's do some flips. While in the air, you can either backflip or front. Check this out. I'll bust a flip on this rooftop. Give it a try. Nice flips. Now let's do some rolls in midair. Do this to do a roll.
oh man.
Go ahead, your turn. Damn, man, you can go big. Let's take it up a notch. Since you got the spine transfer down, let's do an acid drop. Jump off this roof and acid drop on... Good job. Now for bank transfers. When you're over an angled surface, you can do a bank transfer. That's awesome. Go ahead, you're up. Do it.
What's up, Holmes? What's it gonna be? Help me bomb this. Think you could throw my piece up there? Nice work, bro. Come find me if you want to do some more art. I'm out.
Why are you staring at that pole?
I've been trying to do this trick.
What's that?
I'll show you. It's called the Nada Spin. Ah! That bites! Ow, well maybe you can do it. Try to jump on a pole and Nada Spin. Nada Spin on both of these poles for a few seconds each.
Bonjour. In France, we don't need boards with wheels to do tricks. We do the what? I will demonstrate. Watch as I do the wall run. You. Now we get fancy. Run up the wall and jump to do a wall flip. Like so. Flips are flipping fun. Try to do a few wall flips. Now we get fun. Flips are flipping fun. Try to do a... Now I show you how to try to shimmy from one marker to the other. Now you have learned what you need. Watch me combo without board with wheels.
Holy! That's freaking wild.
Attends! Front and back tucks. Voila! You try a few. Front tuck. Maintenant!